So this morning, Shirley and we plant this remaining head of the fruit we picked a couple of days ago. This is from the fruit itself. Look at the roots. Okay, come here, Shirley. I have planted the other 3 suckers. So now I'm planting this one here. Shirley. Okay. So here they are. My small pineapple patch. And the old one is still here.